Want a clean LCD clock watch, face screensaver on your Android TV? I'll show you how to set it up in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. Open the Play Store on your TV. Go to the Play Store search bar and search for LCD Talking Night Clock. Install LCD Talking Night Clock app. Go to Home Screen Apps section. Open LCD Talking Night Clock app. Allow location permission. Press OK. Go to Screensaver settings. Click on Screensaver. Select LCD Talking Night Clock. Go back. Click Start Now. Thanks for watching.